Marine scientists and ocean enthusiasts around the world are mesmerized after researchers documented a mind-blowing, unprecedented behavior among killer whales in the wild. In extraordinary underwater footage captured off the coast of Mexico in the Gulf of California, a pod of orcas was filmed working in synchronized teamwork to hold and ram a massive 2-ton sunfish with such incredible force that the entire carcass literally exploded into thousands of pieces. The groundbreaking study, published in the scientific journal Frontiers in Ethology, details two separate, identical encounters recorded by marine researchers and tour operators over a 1-year period. In both instances, a group of orcas targeted a sharp-tail sunfish, one of the largest and heaviest bony fish species on the planet, capable of reaching over 10 feet in length and weighing up to 4,400 pounds. What shocked researchers was the complex choreography required to execute the maneuver. Rather than simply biting into their prey, an adult female orca clamped her jaws onto the sunfish's large tail fin, using her multi-ton body as an anchor to hold the giant carcass completely still in the water column. Seconds later, a second adult orca swam back several yards, built up massive underwater momentum, and accelerated directly toward the stationary target like a living torpedo. At the very last split second before impact, the holding orca let out, allowing the charging whale to slam headfirst into the sunfish at full speed. The resulting collision delivered such immense kinetic energy that the dense, rubbery structure of the sunfish shattered into a cloud of floating tissue. Researchers on the scene described hearing a massive acoustic thud reverberating through the water as the giant fish exploded into bite-sized fragments. Upon closer scientific analysis, researchers discovered that the sunfish was actually already dead prior to the high-speed impact, meaning the brutal body slam was not delivered as a killing blow. Instead, scientists believe this stabilize and ram technique serves as an ingenious method of food processing. Sharp-tailed sunfish possess an extremely tough, thick outer gelatinous layer known as a capsule, making it nearly impossible for younger orcas with smaller jaws to tear apart. By pulverizing the carcass into thousands of floating bits, the adult orca successfully created manageable, bite-sized snacks that young calves in the pod were